Step 1. Do you know what the most dangerous financial decision in the world is? Step 2. Losing all your money in the stock market? Getting trapped in a fraudulent investment scheme? Step 3. No. The most dangerous decision is keeping all of your money sitting safely in a bank account. Step 4. The thing you consider your biggest financial protection may actually be the biggest trap slowly destroying your wealth. Step 5. Today, we are going to uncover an invisible mathematical truth that will completely change the way you look at money forever. Step 6. Imagine you have $100,000. Step 7. You decide to keep it completely safe inside a locker. No risk. No market fluctuations. No stress. Step 8. You think that after 10 years, you will still have the same $100,000. Step 9. Mathematically, that is true. But financially, it is a huge illusion. Step 10. The number of dollars you own may remain the same, but the power of those dollars will change. Step 11. The things you can buy today with $100,000 may cost $150,000 or more in the future. Step 12. Your money stayed the same on paper, but its purchasing power disappeared. This is called the destruction of purchasing power. Step 13. To understand this entire game, we need to learn a rule that wealthy people around the world understand very well. Step 14. It is called the Rule of 72. Step 15. This simple rule tells you how long it takes for your money to double, or how quickly inflation can cut your money's value in half. Step 16. For example, if inflation is only 4% per year, the Rule of 72 tells us that your money's purchasing power can be reduced by half in approximately 18 years. Step 17. That means if you simply save money without investing, you can lose half of your financial power without taking any visible risk. Step 18. This is the illusion of fake security. Step 19. The feeling of safety is actually a psychological trap. Step 20. The human brain naturally fears losses. Step 21. When we see stock markets or real estate prices moving up and down, our emotions often push us away. Step 22. We think keeping money in a bank account is safe because the number in our account does not decrease. Step 23. But we forget about the silent and invisible enemy that is slowly eating away at our money every single day. Step 24. When you only save money, you are not avoiding risk. Step 25. You are simply choosing a different type of loss, a loss that is predictable, guaranteed, and happening quietly over time. Step 26. Now, let's understand this mathematics on a deeper level. Step 27. Imagine you keep your money in a normal savings account where you earn only 1% or 2% interest. Step 28. You feel like your money is growing. Step 29. But at the same time, real inflation may be running at 5% or 6%. Step 30. That means every year, your money is losing around 4% of its real value. Step 31. The interest the bank gives you can create an illusion of growth, while inflation continues reducing your purchasing power. Step 32. Banks use your deposits to buy assets and provide large loans, helping them generate more wealth. Step 33. But in return, you often receive only a small interest rate while your money slowly loses value. Step 34. The real rule of wealth creation is not how much money you have saved. Step 35. The real question is, how fast is your money working for you? Step 36. Wealthy people do not simply store cash forever. Step 37. Cash is only a tool, not the final destination. Step 38. They convert their money into productive assets that have the potential to grow faster than inflation. Step 39. Until you understand that idle cash loses value over time, you will always remain behind in the race toward financial freedom. Step 40. Earning money through hard work is only half the battle. Step 41. Putting that money in the right place is where true wealth is created. Step 42. The way out of this trap is simple and clear. Step 43. You need to change your mindset from a saving mindset to an asset building mindset. Step 44. This does not mean putting all your money into risky investments without thinking. Step 45. It means building a diversified portfolio with productive assets such as stocks, real estate, or businesses. Step 46. Create a financial system that not only protects your wealth from inflation but also allows your money to grow through the power of compounding. Step 47. The biggest risk is not investing your money. Step 48. The biggest risk is allowing your money to sit idle while inflation slowly destroys its value. Step 49. The meaning of financial security is not locking your money away in one place. Scene 50. True security means creating a system where your money continues working for you, even while you sleep. So the next time you look at your bank balance and feel proud, ask yourself one important question. Step 52. Is my money truly safe, or is it simply waiting to slowly lose its power? Step 53. The choice is yours. Step 54. You can continue living with the illusion of fake security, or you can choose the path toward real financial freedom.